Hey everyone, TRS43 and here I'm Sarah. Today we are going hands-on with a RedLine Stealer lab to see how this malware operates into wild. Let's get straight to the flag. Initial identification. First up, identifying the enter point. We are pinpointing the malicious file that kicked off the entire infection chain. Static analysis, file hashes. Now let's dig into the file properties. I am analyzing the hashes and basic signatures to confirm we are dealing with a RedLine variant. Understanding what we are up against is step 1. Behavioral analysis, the deep dive. This is where it gets interesting. I am monitoring the malware's behavior as it executes. Notice how it immediately targets sensitive directories, searching for browser credentials and crypto wallets. It's quite fast and very efficient. Persistence mechanism. Next, checking how it stays alive. I'm looking for any registry case or scheduled task used for persistence. Execution check. Confirming the execution flow. Here the process is now fully active in the system memory. Network analysis, C2 hunting. Time for some network forensics. I'm hunting for the command and control or C2 server. By analyzing the outbound traffic, I can see exactly where the stolen data is being exfiltrated. This IP right here is our smoking gun. Data scraping verification. Verified the malware is successfully scraping local databases for saved passwords. Is a total compromise of user data. Final triage impact assessment. Mapping out the total impact from Discord tokens to session cookies. We can see the full scope of what an attacker would have gained from this single infection. The final flag wrap up, and that's the final flag lab complete. Mastering malware analysis is all about spotting these patterns before the damage is done. I am TRS43 and I will see you in next bridge. Keep hunting.